After defining the nodes, now we will draw the beams. So to draw the beam, click on this option that is available here, add beams option. So left click on it. After that, left click here. So move your mouse, reach here and left click again. Again left click here, take your mouse and left click here. So keep on doing this. Left click here. After that, left click and left click here. So just save it. So you see that we got a frame. Now that we have drawn the beam, so let us move to the General tab. So we are at the General tab now. What we're gonna do is that we will be defining the beams and the columns. Okay. Click on define and here click on rectangle. And so we got 3 columns and we got 2 beams. So we don't define beams and columns separately here. So we define a section and we can apply that as a beam or as a column. For the beams, for these 2 beams, let us assume the depth is 300 mm. Okay, so let us take depth as 350 mm, 0.350 meters, and the width as 230 mm, 0.230 meters. The material is concrete. The grade of the concrete is default, so that is determined by the software. So click on add. After that, we will define the column. So you can see the beam has been added. So 0.35 by 0.23 section. So let us define the columns. So the column will be 0.35. Okay, so 0.40, 400 mm by 0.40 by 0.40. Click on add, and after that click on close. Now select the beams, select this, and after that hold Ctrl and select this beam as well. Now selecting this column, okay, so you should have first selected this and after that you should have selected the beams. Okay, so we'll select this one, so it will go. So now select this beam, press Ctrl and select this beam. After that, check this option assign to the selected beams and click on assign, and after that press yes. So this beam has been assigned to these 2 beams. Now what we're going to do, so select this option over here first. So after that, check this option, use cursor to assign and press assign. So this is another method of assigning the beams or the columns. Now we'll select this column, we'll select this column, and also we'll select this column, R2, R2, R2. So which means that we got 2 beams and we got 3 columns. So in this way we assign the beams and the columns to our structural members.